Welcome to lesson 4 of this course, Coding and Robotics using a Tinkercad simulation environment. So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to use a potentiometer, and then I'm going to introduce you to what the potentiometer is and how to use it in your circuits. The potentiometer. So the potentiometer is a component we use to limit the amount of current that flows through a circuit. So when I say current, I also mean electricity. So the way it works is this. So think of it as the knob of your standing fan. So when you adjust the knob to, let's say, 1, the amount of current as electricity that flows through from your power source to the motor of the fan, the amount of electricity that flows through is low, so the speed of the fan is low. So when you increase it to 2, more electricity flows through and the speed of the fan increases. When you adjust it to 3, more electricity flows through and the speed of the fan increases to the maximum, let's say 5. So that's how the potentiometer works. So you can use it to control the amount of current that flows through. Just like the resistor. While resistor kind of limits to a certain number, you can adjust the potentiometer to for ranges of numbers. So the way it works is every potentiometer has 3 pins. So the middle pin is called a wiper. So that's the pin that controls the adjustment, or the pin where you can read the value of the potentiometer. So in this lesson we are going to be using the potentiometer to control the brightness of our LED. So when we increase the value of the potentiometer, so more electricity flows through and the LED becomes brighter. So let's over to our Tinkercad and start. Alright, so again, if you don't know how to create an account or join a class, so refer to lesson 1. I've covered that in lesson 1. So the first thing, we drag out a battery. So we'll flip the battery as usual, and then here then we can drag out the potentiometer, and then we can drag out a resistor. Let's kind of flip our resistor also this way. Then we can drag out the LED also. So it's simple. So let's stick down to the wiper of the potentiometer. You can adjust this if you want. Then we can read. So this is supplying electricity, and then we can also use this to read the value of the current flowing through the potentiometer. So here we can then output the value of the potentiometer, the amount of current. We can output it to any device. So let's connect our LED here, and then let's position this to this way. So we connect the other port of the potentiometer of the resistor to the LED, and then we can connect this directly to the negative. So at the end of everything, we have this. So we click on start simulation, and then that's the list volume. It's more like our LED is not even coming up at all. It's on. So we can kind of increase the value to get a brighter, LED. So mind you, the potentiometer works just like the resistor. It's limit the current. So the resistor also limit the current. So we can reduce the capacity of a resistor. Resistor is measured in ohms. So you can reduce the capacity. You can reduce the capacity to something 100. So 100. So let's say 200. So now we have let's make it 400. No, not that major LED. So that's how it works. So if I reduce this slowly, that's how the potentiometer works. Limit the current. You can, just like a knob, you can control the amount of current that flows through from the power source to the component or device you're controlling. So we use the potentiometer in fan to limit the speed. You can use to limit the amount of brightness or whatever you want to limit or you want to control. You can use the potentiometer. So thank you very much. So see you in the next class.
In a world where technology is the heartbeat of innovation, have you ever found yourself staring blankly at a screen, feeling overwhelmed by the vast ocean of information? You're not alone. Many embark on the journey to learn tech skills, only to find themselves lost, frustrated, and ultimately giving up. In fact, studies show that a staggering 70% of aspiring tech learners throw in the towel. It's not just about the complexity of coding or the intricacies of data science, it's the lack of guidance and support that often leaves them stranded. But imagine for a moment if you had a personal mentor online, cutting barriers of location. Someone who understands the challenges you face and can light the path forward. Picture this. You're diving into the world of Python programming, and instead of feeling isolated, you have an expert who's there to answer your questions, provide real-time feedback, and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. That's where we come in. At CodeIgnite, we offer a range of courses tailored to your needs, from web development to machine learning to Python programming. Our mentors are not just teachers, they are your partners in this journey, guiding you to build practical projects that not only enhance your skills but also boost your confidence. And the best part? You can reach out to your mentor anytime. No more waiting for office hours or feeling like you're on your own. Our students have transformed their careers, landing jobs and pursuing passions they once thought were out of reach. So why not take that leap? Don't let frustration hold you back any longer. Sign up today, unlock your tech potential, and embark on a journey that promises not just knowledge, but support every step of the way. You've got this, and we're here to help you shine.